Okay, I realize one of the very crucial things that I forgot is up on that corner, I need a 1/2 inch cap. So let's go look through my bucket of PVC stuff. Maybe I got one. Hopefully I got one. There might be something somewhere in here. I put a threaded valve on the end. So I don't have a cap. In lieu of a cap, I can put this on there now. And if I want to hook up an old washing machine on the end, I could. Looks like we got our size 1/2 inch right there. So let's get this guy. So I didn't have a cap here at the house. Of course, I'm gonna have to go get one, or I could just leave this. It's an old valve that probably leaks when it's open. All together there. So we got 4 valves on this side, or nozzles, I mean. And then we got, it's kind of hard to see, but 1, 2, 3 on that side. Got it down and hooked up. I'm gonna have its own dedicated hose and everything on here. But let me get the water turned on. Everything right now on this thing is dry fitted. So there's no glue. That's the best way to do plumbing. Dry fit everything, and then once everything fits, you got everything how it's supposed to, take it apart and glue it all together. So also there's one more thing I gotta mention. When you're doing plumbing, anytime you go to start, I mean, you could start way over there on the far side, but that's not what you want to do with plumbing. Wherever you start with plumbing, you want to start where your water source is. So you start where your water source is and you build this way, okay? You build away from your source, because with different types of plumbing, it can get really complicated and you can really mess yourself up as far as how everything fits together, and you just have to end up starting all over anyways. But my biggest tips when you're doing plumbing is, number 1, start from the source. Number 2, dry fit everything first before you actually go in and glue it all together. So there's the end there. Looks like we got, oh, it looks like a beautiful fountain. Very nice. Very nice. Ooh, under the fountain. Ah, I'm getting my garden. Looks like we got another 3 over here, so this is perfect. So as you can see, I'm standing under the patio now. I'm standing under the patio, so as you can see, because I didn't have any nozzles on there, it was just spewing out water, which is a good thing to do. Because you're purging the system, so if there's any little like tiny pieces of PVC in there, you don't want them clogging up your nozzles. But anyways, as you can see, this is to the right of the patio, straight out from the patio, and to the left of the patio, it's all wet, because that's where it was spraying. That's where those holes were spraying to. So you can see on the patio here, it's nice and dry. That's where you want to sit. You'll be walking in and out of the house. You don't want to get any of that stuff wet. So let me put some nozzles in here and we'll see if we can get this baby misting. Now, I'm going to do this in the same order that I put it together. So I'm going to start here on this side and work my way that way with all the fittings and pipes and everything. Tightening things up as I go, tightening up all these little wall hangers and all that stuff as I go, and give it 15 minutes. Right after that, just using Christie's PVC glue. So 15 minutes after that, then I should have everything ready to go. I'll probably flush it out again before everything's all said and done. I really don't want to get anything stuck in those nozzles. So I even got a little screen that I have just from something else. Just a piece of junk or whatever, and I'm gonna throw that screen on the hose that's going to plug into it. That way, just keep any large bits of debris out. So see you in a minute here. I got them all glued up. Got it hooked up to the hose. Runs up. Well, you see it in the sun right there really good, huh? Yeah. I got the nozzles along the front. Looking good. We got more along this side here. So what do you think? You're supposed to look at like the misters and stuff.
I was making sure he wasn't throwing up.
No, he's not throwing up. Oh, look at him. So what do you think?
I like it so much cooler over here. I could just feel the cool, moist air.
What about?
Way better.
Hey. What about Luna? Poor Luna. And look at her poor tail. It busted open because she wagged so hard. It was flinging blood all over, so she's got a big blue band-aid. You like it?
Yes.
Can you spend some more time out here now?
Yes. A lot more time.
Okay, cool.
It's more manageable.
More what?
Manageable.
Alright, good.
Enjoyable.
What about you, bud?
He'll come too.
Huh? What about you, bud?
He'll come too.
Merrick. Hey, let me see your little face. Let me see your little face. Hey, boy. Hey, boy. But thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, if you have any comments about our system here, or if you have any other DIY backyard things you want to see, go ahead and make a comment down below, and I try to answer those as quickly as possible. But feel free, if you do like this one, you want to see more like it, go ahead and like this video, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to Julie's Auto Garage. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Welcome to Julie's Auto Garage. Today we're spying on our neighbor. Hey, Trav.